Get rid of yellow stains in just a few seconds. Yellow stains on your blouse can be quite troublesome and hard to remove, especially when they've deeply penetrated the fabric. Often, traditional cleaning products aren't enough, so it's helpful to know an effective method. Take a larger glass bowl and prepare hydrogen peroxide, which has bleaching properties that will help effectively remove the stains. Add a little to the bowl. Then add vinegar, which is an ideal ingredient for whitening clothes at home. It works as a stain remover and helps dissolve any remaining dirt. The final key ingredient is dish soap, whose cleaning properties make it effective at removing stains without damaging the fabric. Add some dish soap. Lastly, pour in warm water and mix everything together so the ingredients combine. Finally, place the stained item into the bowl. If the stain is more stubborn, leave it for a moment. Scrub the stain against the fabric thoroughly, then rinse. If you're wondering how to get rid of yellow stains, this method is perfect. Your blouse will be snow white and look as good as new. Here's how to get rid of grease stains without a single drop of detergent. And it works faster than regular stain removers. Oil seeps deep into fabric fibers, which is why your washing machine often can't handle it. But there's a simple trick that almost always works. Cover the stain generously with salt. It'll start absorbing the grease right away. Then sprinkle on some baking soda. Its fine texture helps break down the oil like a gentle scrub. Now take a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side down, and place it over the stain. That side conducts heat better and speeds things up. Press a hot iron over the foil. The heat activates the salt and baking soda, drawing the grease out of the fabric and into the foil. Hold it there for about 15 to 30 seconds, but don't overheat the fabric. Then remove the foil and brush off the salt and baking soda. The stain will be gone, and your pants will look good as new. Quick, easy, and seriously effective. This hack works every time. Here's how to clean white shoes. If you're unsure how to clean white sneakers, this video is for you. This method also works for white trainers. Since I started using this mixture, I no longer buy expensive shoe cleaners from the store. You'll be amazed by how well it works. You can make this cleaner with ingredients you already have at home. With just a few items, you'll get great results. First, get a bowl. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt, stains, and lightly whitening the shoes. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mixture. Vinegar softens the water, making the detergents more effective. The mixture will start to fizz, which is normal. Stir everything thoroughly. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix it all again. Your new shoe cleaning solution is ready. Cleaning with this mixture is simple. Dip a soft shoe cleaning brush into the solution and gently scrub your white shoes. This homemade mixture works best if you leave it on the shoes for a while. Wipe off the excess with a cloth and scrub the shoes again, especially the soles. You'll easily remove all stains and dirt. Your white sneakers will look like new. I put my socks in a jar. They've never been this white before. White socks lose their brightness quickly, collecting stains and dirt that regular washing can't remove. But there's a simple trick to fix that. Take a large jar and place your dirty socks inside. Add 1 laundry pod, which effectively dissolves dirt and removes stains. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. It helps soften grime and prevents fabrics from turning gray. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to whiten and neutralize odors. Take a piece of aluminum foil, tear it into smaller parts, and roll them into small balls. Drop them into the jar, then pour in hot water. Seal the jar tightly and shake vigorously to mix the ingredients. Let the socks soak for 10 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down dirt and restore the bright white color. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and white as new. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals. Try this trick and say goodbye to gray socks forever. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. Put socks on an empty bottle. You'll quickly fall in love with this mysterious trick. Prepare a bowl and pour very hot water into it. Put the socks in and leave them for a while. Let them soak. In the meantime, prepare the detergent. Don't pour it into the bowl. Just set it next to it. Now take a plastic bottle. The bottle shouldn't be too big. Slide the bottle into the sock. The wet sock will stretch easily. You can even slide a no-show sock onto such a bottle. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour laundry detergent over it. Use a soft brush to start scrubbing. It will start to foam quickly. This way, you'll remove dirt and even the most stubborn stains. No washing machine cleans sock fibers this thoroughly. Turns out, an ordinary bottle can handle it. This is an easy way to remove stains, especially on the toes and heel. Then just rinse the socks well, and they'll be like new. Our grandmothers used washboards. You can use a regular bottle and get a similar result. Clean socks like never before. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks.